Welcome to this Tutor to You revision video that looks at landforms of erosion, specifically bays and headlands. This is part of Paper 1, Unit C, Coastal Landscapes. Processes of erosion have led to the formation of distinctive coastal features. We call these erosional landforms. Coastlines that have alternating bands of rock at right angles to the coastline are called discordant coastlines. Along these, bays and headlands often form. In this video, we're going to talk about how that process happens. Bays and headlands form because of differential erosional rates. Hard rocks such as chalk and limestone are more resistant than soft rocks such as clay and sandstone, so they erode more slowly. This leaves a section of land jutting out to the sea called a headland. The areas where soft rock has eroded away next to the headlands are called bays. Once a pattern of bays and headlands has become established, the processes operating start to change. The bays are sheltered with calm, shallow water. This low energy means that deposition occurs, building up sandy beaches in the bay. Whereas the headlands are left exposed and start to experience more erosion because of wave refraction, meaning that as the waves approach the coastline, they begin to take on the shape of the coastline. At the headland, the waves become higher and steeper because of frictional drag. The wave refracts or bends around the headland to stop the crest from breaking. This means that more wave energy is concentrated on the headland, causing more erosion. Longshore drift currents also converge at headlands, carrying material into the sheltered bays to build up beaches. So let's have a think about what headlands are like. Headlands are cliffs which stick out into the sea and are surrounded by water on three sides. They are made out of hard rock such as chalk, limestone or granite, which is resistant to erosion. Headlands have some very distinctive characteristics. They are huge pieces of rock sticking out into the sea. They are very steep with almost vertical cliff faces. They often have caves eroded into the sides, which can develop into arches and over time can develop into stacks and stumps. And they give us some of our most spectacular coastlines, for example Flamborough Head on the Holderness coast in East Yorkshire, or the famous arch of Durdle Door along the Jurassic coast in Dorset, which you can see on the screen. In contrast, bays are crescent-shaped indents between two headlands made from soft rock such as clay or sandstone, and they erode easily. The water in them is shallow and calm as they are sheltered, which enables sands to be deposited, forming beaches. Bays also have some very distinctive characteristics. They have a crescent-shaped beach and the edge of the bay is marked by two headlands. They have low energy waves which make them popular with tourists as they are good for swimming. And they have lots of sand accumulated on both sides due to the convergence of longshore drift. That concludes this Tutor to You revision video focusing on landforms of erosion, specifically bays and headlands. Thank you for watching.